As you enter Waterfront Park, one of its most notable features is the flock of great blue herons that appear to be rising from the banks of the Intercoastal Waterway. This sculptural installation is called the Flight of Life. It is part of the City of Palm Coast's Beautification and Environmental Advisory Committee, or BEAC, Art in Public Places Initiative. This initiative encourages the placement of art in public places to both enhance the space and provoke artistic thought and consideration. The BEAC has worked together for several years with the Gargiulo Art Foundation, bringing art to the residents of Palm Coast. The vision and support from the Gargiulo Art Foundation has been invaluable. Their legacy lives on in the many pieces they have contributed, including the panther sculpture in Linear Park, the burrow with bird on shoulder in Central Park, and the magnificent herons here at Waterfront Park. The herons were created by artist Anthony Gargiulo, no relation to the foundation. Vadim Valnov at G-Fest Arts Foundry in Bunnell, Florida, cast the birds in bronze and designed and crafted the stainless steel pedestals. The pedestals appear to be delicate blades of grass and reeds. In reality, they are feats of engineering, each supporting a bird weighing over 130 pounds. The City of Palm Coast Public Works Department installed the concrete footings and securely attached the birds to the supporting framework. The first 3 birds were gifted by brothers Frank and Tom Gargiulo and Arlene Volpe, in memory of Frank and Tom's parents, Philomena and Angelo. They feel the natural setting of Waterfront Park intertwines with the sculptures and brings memories of their parents closer to them. The 4th heron sculpture was donated in memory of the Gargiulo Art Foundation's 2012 Flagler County Artist of the Year, Richard Schreiner. Richard's prolific body of work spanned 5 decades, beginning in New York City and culminating here in Palm Coast. The 5th and 6th birds were donated by Arlene Volpe, director of the Gargiulo Art Foundation, in memory of her children's grandparents. The 7th heron was donated by Frank Gargiulo, whose fellow Army soldiers were amongst the 16 killed and 25 seriously wounded in a Cold War-era artillery accident on September 2nd, 1960, in Grafenwohr, Germany. Tom Gargiulo and Arlene Volpe donated the 8th sculpture to memorialize past community members who founded, supported, or helped improve Flagler County's art and culture. The flock of herons is designed to rise and fall based on the viewer's perspective. When you first enter the park, the birds appear to be flying low to the ground. As you move towards them, they appear to soar upwards. From the Intercoastal Waterway, boaters are surprised by a flock of bronze birds coasting along the banks. We hope you take time to consider these magnificent works of art, how they make you feel, and what memories they stimulate. And be sure to visit the other public art installations throughout Palm Coast.